Hi friends, I Yogita Modi welcoming you in my channel and subscribe it. Standard 8 Subject Science Lesson number 1 Crop Production and its Management. So friends, up to now we seen the 1.1 Agriculture Practices, 1.2 Basic Practices of the Crop Production, 1.3 Preparation of Soil, and all these videos are available on my channel on the YouTube. Okay friends, so today we are going to start from the 1.4, that is the sowing. Okay friends, now sowing is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality, clean and healthy seeds of good variety are selected. So sowing is the one step for the getting a better production, crop production. And before sowing, the quality of seeds which should be checked, which should be good, clean and healthy, so we can get of course the healthy yield. Okay, farmers prefer to use the seeds which give a high yield, that means better crop production. So farmers are using such a kind of seeds which give them better quality of crop production, okay, and good yield. Now selection of seeds, so how they are going to select the seeds? So now what's the paheli saying, let us see. One day I saw my mother put some gram seeds in a vessel and pour some water on them. That paheli scene, that her mother took some gram seeds and in the vessels and pour some water in it. After some time she seen that some seeds are floating on them. Okay, so she is confused why, and she is wonder that why this happening all. So dear friends, the seeds which are floating on the water is not healthy. So how could you know that it's not healthy? Because it is lighter than the seeds which are sink into the water. So how you get this one? Because which having a holes on that seeds, okay, due to that hole it's become a lighter. Okay, and some tiny insects are also present on that hole. So this quality, the seeds which float on the water, this quality of seeds which are not good for the showing. Okay, so in this way we can find the healthy and unhealthy seeds. Now activity 1.1, take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Put a handful of wheat seeds and stir well. Wait for a some time. So you can also do this activity 1.1 at your home. You can take a handful of wheat, you can take a beaker half fill of water and put that wheat into the beaker and stir it well, and after some time you can see the out of these all seeds, maybe some seeds will float on the water. This will show that floating seeds on water which may be unhealthy. Okay, now are these seeds which float on water, would those be lighter or heavier than those which sinks? The sink seeds which is the heavier, and the seeds which is floating, that will be the lighter. Now what would they be lighter? Damaged seeds become hollow and are thus lighted, therefore they are float on the water. So see, again the pahali question answers we are getting here. The seeds are damaged which become a hollow. Okay, so that's why it's become a lighted, and that's why it's a floating on the water. This is a good method to find separating method for separating good healthy seeds from the damaged one. Okay, now it is also the one good kind of method. So via this method we can separate the healthy seeds from the damaged one. So friends, I'm just telling to you, if we are planting the damaged seeds, okay, we are sowing the damaged seeds, so what will happen? From the beginning it's unhealthy, and that growth of the plant is also will be not good as per the other. Okay, so and it is also the wastage of time, wastage of space. So that's why before sowing we should check the quality of seeds. Now this is a good method of separating good healthy seeds for the damaged one. Before sowing, sorry, before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing seeds. Okay, now we know how to do the sowing process. Okay, for it we require the healthy seeds, but for after getting a seeds we require tools. Okay, so which kind of tools are used for the sowing? Let us see. The tools used traditionally for sowing seeds shapes like a funnel that you can see in this figure. Okay, it is a traditional method. In it they are using the funnel. Okay, the seeds are filled into the funnel. So in these there are two men. Okay, one is the handling these tools and another is adding the seeds into that funnel. You can see clearly in the figure. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through two or three pipes having a sharps, and here is the sharp end. Okay, in it the then ends pierce into the soil and plant seeds are there. Okay, now what they are doing, this funnel having a sharp ends, and the another man which is filling the seeds into that funnel. Later some distance what they are doing, that ends pierce, that means here step. Okay, we can see here steps. Okay, into the soil and plants the seeds there. Okay, now